Welcome, and follow me is a TECNO Spark Go, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into fastboot mode. To get started, we'll need to hold our power button and simply turn off the device. When the phone turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. So let's do so right now. Now when you see the TECNO logo appear on the screen, immediately let go of the power button. If you hold the power button too long after the logo shows up, the device just simply turns off again. So if that happens, just hold the power button once more. But I did let go of it just in time. And when you see the little Android logo with no command, hold the power button, press volume up once, and this will redirect us to recovery mode. Now in here, using volume buttons, we want to select either reboot to bootloader or enter fastboot. Both of them do the same job, they take us to fastboot mode. Now obviously enter fastboot would do so without a doubt. It's literally labeled like the mode that I'm telling or showing you to enter. But just to spice things up, I'm just gonna prove a point and go with the reboot to bootloader, which like I mentioned does the same exact thing. And we are now in fastboot mode. So anyway, this is how you would boot into fastboot mode. And once you're done with it, you want to go back, you can hold the power button. You want to hold it as long as it takes for the phone to turn off. There we go. Once it does, you can let go of the power button. The device will automatically boot back up. So all we need to do now is simply wait for it to boot into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.